I'm Kayla with WTI, and do having wine glasses maybe scare you a little bit? Sometimes for me they do. I feel like I'm going to break the stem. But these amazing wine glasses from Amazing Abby have been the perfect solution to be able to enjoy my wine in a nice cup without fear that I'm going to drop it and break it. These are a beautiful plastic wine glass, and if I didn't tell you, you would never know by the look of them that they were made of plastic. They are beautiful and elegant, and they're easy to sip a little wine out of too. These are great for both indoor and outdoor use. My favorite time to use them is cozied up with a nice glass of wine next to the fire. They're lightweight and easy to hold, but they're very durable. This is a set of 6 wine glasses, which is great because it allows me to enjoy a nice bottle of wine with a few friends. These wine glasses are perfect for a person who wants a beautiful looking wine glass, but something that's very durable as well. I love having a nice glass of wine in these beautiful cups at the end of the night. These wine glasses from Amazing Abby have a glass-like look, but the durability of plastic. They are a beautiful addition to any kitchen, and that's just my point of view.